हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल साइंस क्लासरूम। आज के वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.8 बेस्ड ऑन चैप्टर इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस एंड फील्ड। द क्वेश्चन इज दैट 2-point charges QA equal to 3 microcoulomb and QB equal to -3 microcoulomb are located 20 centimeter apart in vacuum. So question A is that what is the electric field at midpoint O of the line joining the two charges? And question B is that if a negative test charge of magnitude 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb is placed at this point, what is the force experienced by the test charge? So here two charges, that is QA and QB, and the distance between the two charges is 20 centimeter, and the distance between A, O and O to B is 10 centimeter. So here we have to find the electric field at midpoint O of the line joining the two charges. So here A, O equal to OB equal to 10 centimeter, which is 0.1 meter. Okay, now QA equal to 3 microcoulomb, which is 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. QB equal to minus 3 microcoulomb, which is minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. The electric field at a point due to a charge Q is E. Therefore we know that the E is 1/4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square. Here R is the distance between the charge and the point O. So electric field due to QA at O is EA. So therefore EA equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught into QA by O S square. Okay, QA by OS square. Now we know that 1/4 pi epsilon naught का वैल्यू है 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 by OA is your 0.1 whole square. Okay, so 27 into 10 to the power 3 by 10 to the power minus 1 whole square. Okay, now we can write that 27 into 10 to the power 3, so plus 2, so which is 27 into 10 to the power 5. So इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 2.7 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per coulomb. Okay, now the direction of EA is, the direction of EA is towards OB, towards OB. See in the figure, the direction of EA is towards OB, towards OB. Why? Because the electric field is always directed away from the positive charge. So here the QA is positive charge, so the direction of the electric field is away from that positive charge, so it will towards the OB. The direction of EA is towards OB. Okay, now electric field due to QB at O is EB. So it is also EB equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon r into QB by OB square. So that is 9 into 10 to the power 9. QB का वैल्यू है 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 by 0.1 whole square. Okay, so which is similar to the earlier value. So its result is also 2.7 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per Coulomb. Okay, now the direction of EA is the direction of EB is towards OB. The direction of EB is towards OB because here the value of the QB is minus 3 microcoulomb. The electric field is always directed towards the negative charge. So here, so the direction of the EB is also towards the OB. So the net electric field is E equal to EA plus EB. So EA का वैल्यू कितना है 2.7 into 10 to the power 6 plus 2.7 into 10 to the power 6. So यहाँ से हम लिख सकते हैं 2.7 plus 2.7 into 10 to the power 6. So 5.4 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per Coulomb. So the total electric field is 5.4 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per Coulomb. And the direction of E is also from O to B or towards B. Therefore, the direction of E is towards O to B or OB. So the next question is, if a negative test charge of magnitude 1.5 into 10 to the power minus c is placed at this point, what is the force experienced by this test charge? If we put a negative test charge, that is minus 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 9 Coulomb, then we have to find the force experienced by the test charge. By definition, so E equal to F by Q. So therefore F equal to Q into E. So where E is the net field, where E is the net field at point O. So therefore F equal to minus 1.5 into 10 to the power 9 into the value of E is 5.4 into 10 to the power 6. So from here we got that 5.4 into 10 to the power 6 minus 9 into minus 1.5. So minus 8.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. Thus the direction of force is from O to A. See in the figure, the direction of force is towards O to A, because the direction of force is opposite to the direction of the field, because the charge Q is negatively charged. So the direction of the force is O to A. Thank you.